Welcome to Tripura Info News Update.
In a determined push toward eliminating tuberculosis from the country, Governor Indrasena Reddy Nalu today launched the Jan Jan Kurek Dayan TB Mukt Bharat campaign at the Raj Bhavan. The initiative, organized by the National Health Mission, aims to create widespread awareness and mobilize public support to achieve a TB-free India. Present at the launch were Secretary to the Governor, UK Chakma, and Mission Director of the National Health Mission, Saju Bahid, along with several senior health officials and stakeholders. Addressing the gathering, Governor Reddy emphasized the urgent need for collective action in combating TB, which continues to be a major public health challenge in the country. He lauded the efforts of the National Health Mission and called for active participation from all sections of society to ensure the success of the campaign. The event marked a significant step in the government's ongoing efforts to eradicate tuberculosis and reinforced its commitment to building a healthier nation.
Books card by the Governor, His Excellency Shri Indrasena Reddy Nalu, Raj Bhavan portal and e-books by the Honorable Governor, His Excellency Shri Indrasena
Committee Chairperson of our state, respected Secretary of Raj Bhavan.
একেবারে কলকাতার মাধ্যমে আমরা এই শুভ মুহূর্তে প্রখ্যান করব মহিলা রাজ্যপাল মহোদয় His Excellency Shri Indrasena Reddy Nalu. बहुत धन्यवाद.
TB Mukt Tripura. Tuberculosis is a centuries-old disease, continues to affect thousands of families across our state, particularly in our tribal communities and economically weaker sections. And I stand before you today with full confidence that through our united efforts, we can and will eliminate this disease from our soil. Tripura has already demonstrated remarkable commitment in our fight against TB. Our healthcare workers have achieved a treatment success rate of about 90%, and we have established advanced diagnostic facilities in our districts. The Nikshay Poshan Yojana has provided nutritional support to thousands of patients across the state. Just now, Vahidji told that the patients they are getting 1,000 rupees for cure every month for best food, and also free treatment. And the persons generally क्या होता है, 2 दिन में डॉक्टर के पास जाता है तो काफ कम होता है, काफ कम होते ही मेरा सुधर गया बोल के घर में बैठते हैं, मगर वो नहीं है. वो कंटिन्यूअसली 6 महीने तक ये मेडिसिन लेना पड़ता है. तो 6 महीने तक कंटिन्यूअसली मेडिसिन उसको इंसिस्ट करके दिलाने वाले जो है, उनके हेल्प करने वाले, उनके बीबी हो या बहन हो, बेटा हो या आंगनवाड़ी टीचर हो, उनके लिए भी अलग पैसे देने का सिस्टम है. इसको एडवांटेज लेके परमानेंटली ये क्यूर करने के लिए सोचने का है. However, with still more new cases reported annually, we cannot afford to be complacent. The time for the decisive action is now. What makes me particularly hopeful is our unique community-based approach. In Tripura, we are training traditional healers as TB ambassadors, creating awareness material in Borok and other tribal languages, and establishing special TB care units in ICDS centers. Our mobile testing vans are reaching the remotest corners of the state, from the tea gardens to Powai to the hills of Dalai. This is the Tripura model of healthcare, inclusive, innovative and compassionate. Our ASHA, our nurses, our ASHA workers, our nurses, our doctors, I say to all of you, all for their dedication is our greatest strength. The Bharat program, I would like to speak few words of our Just Now portal. It is a transformative step towards digital governance, transparency and citizen empowerment. This portal represents our unwavering commitment to innovation, efficiency and public service excellence. Before I proceed, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations and appreciation to the Department of Information Technology and the dedicated officers, particularly Secretary Raj Bhavan, who worked tirelessly to bring this vision of life. Your relentless efforts, attention to detail and commitment to excellence have made this day possible. This portal is a testament to your hard work and I commend each one of you for your invaluable contribution. The new Raj Bhavan portal has been meticulously designed to ensure quality content with authoritative, up-to-date and citizen-centric information alongside easy navigation for effortless access to services. It features a responsive and fast interface for seamless cross-device experience, top-tier security and accessibility for protected and inclusive access, and SEO optimization for greater visibility. The user-friendly design includes clear fonts, structured layouts, and interactive dashboards, while analytics and personalized enable data-driven improvements. Strong branding upholds Raj Bhavan's legacy and clear contact information foster public engagement, making it a true digital gateway for the people. In the coming days, the portal will evolve into a treasure of trove of knowledge, a dynamic hub for policies, historical achievers, real-time updates and citizen services. I urge every citizen to actively utilize this platform, share feedback and help us refine it further. Let us work together to make this portal a concentrated cornerstone of digital governance. Providing additional incentives for those serving in tribal areas and equipping with bike ambulances for difficult terrain. I urge our elected representatives and community leaders to make TB elimination as their personal mission in every panchayat and wards. Encourage youth to join our TB Mukta clubs in colleges and spread awareness through their creativity and energy. I am pleased to note today that Tripura launched several initiatives like TB Free Panchayat, completion with special awards, AI-based cough analysis pilots in our medical colleges and workplaces, screening programs in our tea estates and rubber plantations through public-private partnership. Few organizations committed substantial CSR funds to support patient nutrition program. From Raj Bhavan also, just now Wahid told that we are also sharing some of the burden. Let me be clear, eliminating TB is not just the governor's responsibility, it requires every citizen's participation. If someone you know has been coughing for more than 2 weeks, please get tested immediately. All treatments is completely free. Support TB patient in the community with nutrition and encouragement, not stigma. Remember, a healthy Tripura is a prosperous Tripura. As we work towards making Tripura TB free, let us draw inspirations from our rich heritage. Just as our people have overcome countless challenges through unity and determination, we shall overcome this public health challenge too. Let us transform this challenge into an opportunity and demonstrate Tripura's leadership in public health. With the blessings of Tripura Sundari and the collective will of our people, I have no doubt that we will soon be able to proudly declare Tripura as the first TB-free state in the Northeast. राज्य है, फिर भी टेक्नोलॉजी में बड़े बड़े स्टेट से भी अपन बहुत आगे हैं। असेंबली में टेक्नोलॉजी के इसमें पेपरलेस करे हैं, ग्राम ग्राम में टीवी के नाते उधर ही निकाल के टीवी कंप्यूटर के इसमें से सर्टिफिकेट्स होना तो देना, डिटेल्स लेना, ये भी है। वैसे ही अभी जैसे बोले हैं, हेल्थ मिशन का जो नंबरिंग है, एक बार हॉस्पिटल को आने के बाद फिर दूसरे बार जाके पहले क्या क्या टेस्ट करे हैं, क्या क्या लिए हैं, इसके बारे में अपने पास जो आईआईटी है वो आईआईटी इसका डेवलप करे हैं और जो अपन त्रिपुरा में इम्प्लीमेंट करे हैं वही सिस्टम, वही नंबर अभी देश भर में उसका अमल हो रहा है। तो उस सिलसिले में राजभवन अलग अलग प्रांत में अलग अलग तरीके से उनका जो भी प्रोग्राम्स है वो प्रोग्राम्स बुक के इसमें प्रिंट करके दे रहे थे। rajbhavan.tripura.gov.in ये इसके नाम से कोई भी कहाँ भी राजभवन का एक्टिविटीज देख सकते हैं। इसलिए आज ये राजभवन का URL जो है ये शुभारंभ करे हैं। तो इसके लिए हमारे राजभवन का स्टाफ, पर्टिकुलरली हमारा सेक्रेटरी UK चकमा जी के नेतृत्व में और ये टेक्नोलॉजी गवर्नमेंट का जो ये है उनके इसमें आज ये प्रोग्राम दिए हैं। जो भी इसमें काम करे हैं, करने वाले हैं, उन सब लोगों को मेरे तरफ से पर्सनली एक हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। ये अच्छे बाकी के राज्यों में से पहले अपन शुरू करे हैं, ये ऐसे ही आगे लेके जाएंगे।
Subscribe to Tripura Info and press the bell icon so that you never miss any latest updates and news on Tripura.